That's good.
So if I do pay that extra.
What do you do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another one, man. So today we're doing a birthday photo shoot session. I'm playing around with lighting. I'm using ambient light. I'm not using any flash today. It will be, I don't want to say natural light, but I won't be using any flash today. And if you guys know, I told you guys I will be getting into lighting going into these next weeks of PND University. I'll put the link down there for that if you guys are interested in learning a lot more from me, one-on-one and stuff like that. But I'm using two, I don't want to say gel lights, more so RGB lights. Everything is continuous. We're working with continuous lighting today.
For
and
what?
We're doing a birthday session.
Oh, to get them today?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it?
Is it possible?
Yeah.
So I can't.
I'm Taxi. Nah, yeah.
Can we?
Yeah, we can do that.
I had dug into this bag. In that bag is a lot of roses. I have roses of all different colors, but they're all separated in smaller bags in that one bag. But it's all that's the rose bag, okay? So yeah, so I want to try to get some of those little pink roses I could throw on the floor to kind of mesh with the pink, because this is for her birthday and she wanted same day turnaround. So that also allowed me to upcharge, different things like that, make a little bit more bread at the same time. Because you want that same day turnaround. If you get faster at your editing, you'll be able to give same day turnaround. Oh my gosh, how do I get faster at my editing, Taxi? You learn from Taxi. Link down below to learn and get some editing tutorials and stuff like that. Sorry for the self plug, but it's sponsored by me. This channel is me, and it's sponsored by me, and sold and promoted and created and edited by me. So I gotta do it whenever I'm able. But we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna talk you guys through it, maybe a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys the behind the scenes, show you guys a POV. I'm using the POV neck mount. Those two POV shots that you guys are watching when I'm creating the content are all on my phone. All right, so the POV that's coming from my neck on my phone, the POV that's coming from that side view, or the horizontals are on my phone, and the landscape one that you're watching is from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is also on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah, so continue, boom, boom, bop. Let's get into the video.
All right, so I'm gonna show you the first one. Let me see.
Okay.
So first one I'm gonna do is, you're gonna be like, one cheek is gonna be like on here, and you're gonna be off to the side like this, and you're gonna be like this. So it could be like this, you could be looking over like that, you could be looking over like this, you could be up like here, like that, like that. Go ahead. Yeah, you got it. Remember, one cheek.
One cheek.
Yep. Oh, there you go. And other hand on the other side here, other side. Just like that. There you go. Yep. Just like that. Yep. That's actually really cute. Hold that one real quick. Hold that one real quick. I like that one. Hold that one. Let's try that one. Yep. Pull your hair over. You got it. There you go. Yep.
As you guys will notice, I always tell you is to show, don't just tell. If you're going to tell them how to do something, also show them how to do it at the same time, because if you just tell them, they don't really know how it's going to look or how it's supposed to look. It's going to take you a lot more time in the photo shoot. So just don't just show, don't just tell your client what to do or show them a picture, do it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can show them a picture, but I just feel like if I show my client Pinterest, then am I really posing them or is somebody else posing them? You get what I'm saying? So I do the pose myself. Let them feel more, it also helps make them feel more comfortable and stuff. So that really helps out a lot. I've noticing that for sure, is when I do the pose, they can see that I did it and they're like, oh my gosh, he's comfortable in his masculinity. All right, now they feel more comfortable around me, because a regular male photographer or a regular male is not going to do a pose like that, a feminine pose. But being that I'm comfortable in my masculinity, it shows through to the client as well. They're like, oh my gosh, he's actually doing this. He's actually a vibe, bang, 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 wop, wop. So yeah, that's another thing, another little tip for you guys as well.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Hold it, one. Hold it up. Yo, that's cute. Look off that way. Hold it. Take that left hand and come to your hair. Right there, yep, hold 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. And 1. There we go, that's cute. Yeah. See the first few?
Period.
Yeah. That's good, you know what I mean? All right, same vibe again. And I want you to put that hand more back. So maybe it's like that, yeah. And then that hand's on your thigh. So put that right there, like that. Hold it, yep, just like that, yep, hold. 3, 2, 1. Yes, exactly, hold it, don't move. Hold. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1, yep. 3, 2, 1, and 1. Tilt your head up a little bit. There you go. Yep, hold it. Try to open your eyes a little bit wider. There you go, yep. It's gonna feel crazy, but it's not gonna look crazy. Hold it. 3, 2, 1, and 1. Look off that way again. Yep. Bring your hand to your hair. Yep, just like that, yep. Right there, hold it, don't move. Look off. Hold it, yep. Hold it, yep. Don't move. And 1. There you go. All right, so now, go ahead, get up for me. I'm gonna have you here. Both legs are like this. What side is your hair on? This side, right? Yeah, it's on this side. So you're gonna be like this a little bit, like this. It's gonna be right here like that. And you're gonna be like this, like that.
Okay.
All right, so try to like sit up as far as you can, probably, and go like that. And then to like make your hips pop out more, you go like spread while you're sitting. So it makes like your shape.
Okay.
And you go like that again. Okay. All right, and then your feet are like this.
Okay.
So don't put them flat, it's gonna look weird.
Yeah.
Tippy toes.
Arch.
Yeah.
All right, so you start over here.
Both legs. There you go. Yep, just like that. Yep. There you go. Yep. And then hold this right here. Sorry about that. There you go. You can put that hand back down. Yep, just like that. But push away from it. So if you sink, it pops out. If you push away from it, it looks good. There you go, like that. Yep. And now you lay this here, right in that piece. Yep.
The small details like that. Like, I just know how it looks when an arm pops out when you're sitting. It makes it bulge, and then you have like a really big bulge right here in the crease of your arm, or in your armpit starts looking weird, or maybe you have, you know, more meat in your armpits. It's good to put that hair right there to cover it, because it doesn't only save you, the photographer, but it saves the client as well. You have a lot less editing to do if you cover it up, right? If you have the hairs going straight, or all the straight hairs put together, you have a lot less editing to do. If you cover up that part of the arm, a lot less editing to do. You probably only got to push in that bulge, but you don't have to push in that bulge and fix the crease of the armpit. You see what I'm saying? So try to always pay attention to details. Like, shoot for the edit. Shoot to make sure you can make your life a lot easier when it comes time for you to edit in the back end, because you don't want to have to go extra mile and do all this extra crazy stuff when it comes time to editing. All right?
This hair right here. There we go. Yep. Turn your head up a little bit. Right there. Hold it. Yes, there you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, hold it. And 1. Look straight ahead of you, like that way. Yep, hold it. Yep, hold it, hold it, hold it. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move, I got you, I got you. Don't move, yep. Hold it, hold it. And 1. Look at me right here. Yep. And 1. Now lean up on it, so you'll be like have one hand on the flowers, and then the other hand on your other thigh. Yep, just like that, like that. So put that flower right there. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that, just like that. Yep, Hold it. Let me see. Yep, exactly. Exactly like that. Yes, exactly. There you go. Eye contact with me real quick. Yep. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Hold it, hold it. Put your hand back to your hair, but don't put it like up high, put it like at the bottom part of it. Like playing with the curls. Yeah, like that. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Give me a little smile. Just a little one, like a little cute. Like, yep, I got pink. You know what I'm saying? Like, pink girly. Yep. And 1, hold it. And 1. And now put your hand to your face, like, and look off that way. Yep, just like that. Yep. Hold it, 1 more. There you go. And check these out.
Sexy! These are cutesies.
You can swipe through them. Swipe through them. You can swipe. Go ahead.
I'm jacking it.
Yeah, these are really cute.
I like this one. It's right here.
Yeah, that one is tough. Yeah, these are good. Yeah.
Yeah, clock it.
Not looking like good. All right, bet. So let me think.
These are cute. I like them.
Yeah, let me think. Let me see. All right, so what I'm thinking.
I want to do a stick.
Yeah, that's all I was gonna say. Yeah. Let's finish the box first.
Okay.
So we'll finish the box. Let me get the roses so we can search some like shape. Yeah, like that, like without the roses, probably.
Right next to,
Yeah, like, and then you can still do like whatever with your hands and stuff, so you can see like shape. You got a corset on, so it'll give fit. What happened?
It's not large.
And y'all are probably asking, like, okay, what are you kind of playing with for settings? I'm shooting as if it's a natural photo shoot, right? So however it looks in my camera lens is how it's going to look, you know, when it's time to edit as well. So when I'm doing this, what I'm doing is I'm having my ISO at 640. And then I'm changing my shutter is gonna be like 1 or 125 to try to get that extra light in there to help it stay open enough. And I have my aperture at f2.8. So this is the only time I have my aperture this low in studios when I'm not using flash. If I'm using flash, my aperture is not this low. All right. If I'm using flash, I'm not allowing my aperture to be that low. All right, in studio. But being that I need extra light in to be able to make sure I can get those colors and be able to play with them later in Photoshop, that's what I had to do. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I edit these images or images like this as well, I'll leave a link down below to those videos for you guys to check out too. So.
Alright, so at the middle looks like you sitting straight on here. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Yeah, just like that. There you go, yeah. Like if you can even hold on your hair, yeah, that looks good, pretty good. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Hold your head up a little bit. Yeah. Open your legs a little bit. Think it like that, yep. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Put both your hands to your lap, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, yep. Don't move, don't move. Yep, yep. Look at me right here. Yep, look at me. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Soften your face a little bit. Yep, like that. There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep, hold it. And look off that way and put that right hand here. Right hand, right hand. There you go. Yep, and look off. There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. And you see like a pose in your mind, right? Joe, what you do with the...
Yeah, like
With the flowers or without the flowers?
without.
Okay. It's because your hair, your bangs on it. Talking about that right one, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I have to,
your bang like weighs it down.
I want to do it like, yeah, standing up. So like,
Yeah.
does it look weird?
What, the eyelash?
Yeah.
Take it first. Let's see. We'll see.
Okay.
I'm gonna take it. Let's see. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't because your bangs right there, so it doesn't look bad. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Step forward a little bit. Right there. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Do it again. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Hold it. When you have that cross, bend a little bit forward. Yeah. Yeah. You go like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. And have both of your hands like back here and come up a little bit. Like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now till they come to the side, yeah, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Hold it. And 1. There you go. Now you can turn to your side a little bit. That way. Go like that, and then come like this. Like that. Yeah. Hold it. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Turn your face towards me this way a little bit. Put your hands back, but turn towards me. There you go, like that. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Hold it. Look at me, look at me. Open your eyes more. Yeah. Same kind of vibe like how you were before. But what you would do is you would be standing like this, and it would be like this right here. Okay. So you would go up on your heels. So like you would like stand like about here, and then like when I start, you would go up. Because if you hold it too long, your feet start to like go down. Okay. So I want you like as high as possible, like that.
Okay. Let me fix this.
Go ahead. There you go.
So on this
Hold
side,
it,
right?
yeah, that hand. Yep, it's like that. So you probably would have to hold it, like hold it down. So hold it like how would you hold it like that? Boom, and then you put it straight down. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Yeah, like that. So like that. Yeah, like that.
With this one?
Yeah. Go back down. I'll tell you what. So that way you don't waste the strength that you have. All right, hold it. There you go. I'll tell you when. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Back down. Go up again, but on put your right hand here. No, put it here. Get like that. There you go. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Go back down. You're gonna do it again. You're gonna look back that way, right? So you're gonna go like this. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, 1, and 1. Hold it. Now take the flowers and like lay them across your lap, just like that. Yep. Yep, just like that. There you go. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hold it. 3, 2, and 1. A little smile, like a little bit. Yep. And 1. There you go. Now you can lay on your side. So you're gonna lay your legs out that way. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Put this right here. Your hand's gonna go right there. Oh no, this side, right there. Yep, just like that. Yep, just like that. Hold it. Yep, just like that. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go. Hold it, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Look off that way. Hold it. Yep. Don't move. Don't move. Take that hand and put it right here, just like that. Yep, and keep looking off. Yep, hold. Look over at me right here. Yep, hold it. Yep. There you go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You got it. You got it. You got it. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 1. There you go. All right, bet. Now you can check these out.
Quiet. I like these already.
Thank you guys so much for watching, man. It's been your boy Taxi PNG. PNG stands for Passion, No Gatekeeping. I'll leave a link down below to the mentorship if you guys want to learn a lot more or a little bit more from me. We have classes every Monday and Wednesday, so see you guys in class. Until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.